Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
Previously, we've shown how to insert shapes, text boxes, and images in our reports. Now, Power BI has updated their features to show more shapes and effects that can be applied to any of your reports. This video is mainly for developers. Starting from Power BI Desktop, we'll click on Insert and then click here to add shapes to our report. We can see a much larger list of shapes to choose from. In this case, we'll select the hexagon. Now, we'll drag our image to make it bigger in our report. We can change the color of the shape by selecting Fill and choosing what best fits our needs. We can even adjust the transparency of the color with the slider here. Next, we can easily add text inside our shape by clicking on Text over here. Input the text you want to see and you can change the font size over here. You can adjust the text color here and even change the font family by selecting this. You can also adjust the horizontal or vertical alignments of the text and more if needed. In addition to that, we can apply a drop shadow effect to our shapes by clicking here. This will create a drop shadow behind your selected Power BI visual. You can adjust the color of the drop shadow by clicking here, and you can even adjust the transparency or blur of the effect with the sliders here. If you don't like where the drop shadow is placed on your image, you can move it around by selecting this and choosing what works best for your visual. Lastly, we have the glow effect, which emits a glow layer from the outside or inside of your selected visual. You can change the glow color here or adjust the transparency or blur options of the effect with the sliders. Feel free to play around with the effects and shapes to create visuals you can utilize for your reports or dashboards.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.